Theta value equivalent to $0.9532 a coin. The present reach. $0.9057, $0.9540. The earlier day close. $0.9212. The change was plus 0.0320, plus 3.47%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.72. Greatest cost $1.21, least cost 72 cents. The normal for the month 95 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.13, change for November 56.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset cost at $1.13. Most extreme cost $1.48, least cost $1.02. The normal for the month $1.24. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.31, change for December 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $1.31. Most extreme cost $1.56, least cost $1.31. The normal for the month $1.41. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.46, change for January 11.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $1.46. Greatest cost $1.64, least cost $1.42. The normal for the month $1.51. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.53, change for February 4.8%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $1.53. Greatest cost $1.53, least cost $1.20. The normal for the month $1.39. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.29, change for spring 15.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.29. Greatest cost $1.48, least cost $1.28. The normal for the month $1.36. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.38, change for April 7.0%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at $1.38. Most extreme cost $1.38, least cost $1.13. The normal for the month $1.28. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.21, change for May 12.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $1.21. Most extreme cost $1.21, least cost 95 cents. The normal for the month $1.10. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.02, change for June 15.7%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $1.02. Most extreme cost $1.04, least cost 90 cents. The normal for the month 98 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 97 cents, change for July 4.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.97. Most extreme cost 97 cents, least cost 84 cents. The normal for the month 92 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 90 cents, change for August 7.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.90. Greatest cost $1.05, least cost 90 cents. The normal for Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 98 cents, change for September 8.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.98. Greatest cost $1.22, least cost 98 cents. The normal for the month $1.08. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.14, change for October 16.3%. Theta cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $1.14. Most extreme cost $1.14, least cost 89 cents. The normal for the month $1.03. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 96 cents, change for November 15.8%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.44. Greatest cost 55 cents, least cost 44 cents. The normal for the month 49 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 51 cents, change for January 15.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.51. Most extreme cost 51 cents, least cost 40 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 43 cents, change for February 15.7%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $0.43. Most extreme cost 50 cents, least cost 43 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 47 cents, change for spring 9.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. In the first place cost at $0.47. Greatest cost 47 cents, least cost 38 cents. The normal for the month 43 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 41 cents, change for April 12.8%. Theta cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at $0.41. Greatest cost 43 cents, least cost 37 cents. The normal for the month 40 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 40 cents, change for May 2.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.40. Greatest cost 42 cents, least cost 36 cents. The normal for the month 39 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 39 cents, change for June 2.5%. Theta cost expectation for July 2026. At the outset cost at $0.39. Most extreme cost 48 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 43 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 45 cents, change for July 15.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. Before all else cost at $0.45. Most extreme cost 56 cents, least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 52 cents, change for August 15.6%. Theta cost expectation for September 2026. In the first place cost at $0.52. Greatest cost 64 cents, least cost 52 cents. The normal for the month 57 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 60 cents, change for September 15.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October